Hey guys, it's your girl Briella. So I'm back with another video. So this video is me taking the time to remodel my stairs. So as you can see, I do have carpet on my stairs. So the whole plan of this is to restore my stairs back to their glory days. So guys, stay tuned. So I'm so glad for you guys tuning in to watch this video. So what you'll need is a staple remover, a double-ended nail pillar, a hammer, a plier, a utility knife, and also a plier used for cutting wire. So basically what I did is started lifting up the carpet with pliers. It does take a bit of strength to pull the carpet up, but it's definitely doable as a female if you're tackling this project all by yourself without any additional help. So the best thing to do is to make sure you have the right tools, and that will allow you to take this carpet off your stairs. So I am making sure that I am tossing all this carpet into a bag, along with my goal is to get some of the staples into the garbage along with vacuuming up. You will need pliers and a staple removal tool to get all these staples up, as they are for some reason embedded into the stairs. Whoever installed those carpets, they did a good job making sure that it's tight and fit. So what you'll see next is me taking up the tack boards. It's pretty simple. You want to start at the edge first and you hit the hammer on the double pronged nail puller to pull up the tack boards. And this is the quickest way to do it and to make sure it doesn't break in half. So, like I said, continuing to pull staples up. I feel like there's over 1,000 staples on the stairs alone. And this process does take a bit of time, as pulling those nails is a bit time consuming because some of them don't come up the first time. But definitely I would say one of the funner things to do is pulling the carpet up and hitting the tack boards up. I would say this isn't a project for the faint of heart, as it does require a lot of time. I would say mostly spent on just picking up all those nails with the nail puller and switching to the pliers when they're not coming up on its own. But this project is doable. You just have to be patient. So, as you can see, it's really just a process of repeating the same thing over and over again. Pulling up the carpet, then taking some of the staples out, then pulling up the tack board, and then all over again. So, as you can see, I'm continuing to do this, and I'm just going down each stair at this point. I think I had about 16 stairs total to do, so this project definitely did take some time, but the ending result did let me know that I would be able to refinish my stairs. Alrighty, so guys, I have a new video coming out in a few weeks in regards to how I refinish these stairs. What you'll see at the end is basically what the stairs look like without the carpet on. Obviously there's still more work to be done, but thanks guys. Please like and subscribe so that you can be updated with the notifications when I post out my new video about remaking these stairs. Thank you. Take care guys.